Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Grammarly free plagiarism checker. And here's how it's done. Open your browser and type in check plagiarism on Grammarly. Then press search. From the results, click the official link from grammarly.com. On the page, you'll see a box where you can either paste your text or upload a file to check for plagiarism and writing errors. Click scan for plagiarism. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the results on the right-hand panel. It will display whether plagiarism is found. It will also show the number of writing issues detected. If plagiarism is found, you can click Get Grammarly to download the Grammarly app to your computer. With the app, you'll be able to easily fix any plagiarism issues and correct all writing errors. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Grammarly free plagiarism checker. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.